In the age of empire, when European nations were carving up Africa, one kingdom stood its ground, not through surrender, not through negotiation alone, but through strategy, unity, and resistance. This is the story of Battle of Adwa.
The mountains heard the cry. Africa stood and refused to die. Menelik rose, Taytu beside, defending a nation with strength and pride. Empire came with flags and greed. Ethiopia answered with unity. One victory shook the whole world view and proved black power could conquer too.
Late 1800s, the empires raced, Europe dividing the African space. Britain, France, Belgium, too, claiming lands they never knew. They call it civilizing the earth while stealing resources, labor, and worth. Maps were drawn in foreign rooms while African nations faced approaching doom. But Ethiopia remained independent, still protected by mountains and strategic will. Then Italy came with colonial plans, trying to force control of the land. Treaties twisted with deceptive lines, manipulating language to redesign. But Menelik II read the scheme and prepared the nation for the imperial dream.
Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise. Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise. Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise. Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise.
Menelik united regions near, building alliances far and clear, gathering armies across the state, knowing the threat would not wait. Then came Empress Taytu Betul, strong and wise, strategic mind behind the rise. Not just royalty dressed in gold, but a leader fearless and bold. Taytu warned against compromise, seeing empire through clear eyes, helping organize defense lines tight, preparing the people for the fight. At the mountains, armies met Italian forces unprepared, yet Ethiopian troops moved disciplined vast, and colonial arrogance collapsed fast. Cannons thundered across the plain, but Ethiopia broke the chain. One African victory shot the age and changed the empire-driven pace.
Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise. Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise. Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise. Stand your ground, let the drums resound. From the hills we rise.
Adwa lives through what resistance gives against the tide. A people survived. Understand why Adwa matters still. It challenged Europe's racial will, because many powers taught one lie, that Africans could not organize or rise. But Adwa shattered that belief, turning colonial confidence weak. Black newspapers across the world saw hope begin to unfurl from the cavalry into Harlem streets. Adwa became a symbol deep. Pan-African thinkers carried the flame. Marcus Garvey praised the name. Even decades later, freedom fighters knew Ethiopia proved what resistance could do. That's why the battle still survives inside liberation movements worldwide for students. Now remember this key: history shapes identity, and Adwa showed an empire's age. Africa could rewrite the page. Adwa, let the whole world know freedom grows when the people grow. From Menelik's vision to Taytu's stand, Ethiopia defended the land. Learn the truth beyond empire's line. See resistance through African eyes. From the mountains high to history's wall, Adwa still inspires us all. The Battle of Adwa was more than a battle. It was a declaration that Africa would not surrender quietly.